Good morning everybody. How are you children? Yes, I hope you everyone are fine in the grace of God. Welcome to science activity. Actually, today is our National Science Day. National Science Day celebrates the discovery of Raman effect. Isn't it? I wish you happy Science Day behalf of our LBS family. So let us learn something about our science day. Okay, there are some scientists I am going to show you. There are 14 Indian scientists are there. We salute them with honor and dignity to them. See, all these are the 14 scientists of India who brought our India, who changed our country. Okay, who changed our country and world by their inventions and their discoveries. So we salute them. Let us know the names of the personality. Once all of you see their names, here are there. Meghnad Saha is there. Srinivas Ramanujan is there. And Prafulla Chandra is there. And APJ Abdul Kalam is there. And Meghnad Saha, Jagadish Chandra Bose, and Prafulla Chandra Rai, and Satyendranath Bose and Aryabhatta is there, Gopal Chandra is there, and Homi Jahangir Baba is there, and Subramaniam Chandra is there, and Janaki Ammal is there. All these 14 scientists who brought our world forward and our country forward by their inventions and by their discovery. Once more, I wish you a happy Science Day. See children, he is you know very well. This is the picture of C.V. Raman, who is the discoverer. He has discovered the Raman effect by his invention. Okay, National Science Day. Every year we celebrate on the 20th February. Okay, celebrates to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian. Okay, Raman effect discovered by Indian physicist. Our C.V. Raman sir is a physicist. Okay, physicist Sir C.V. Raman. See, the basic objective of our Science Day is the basic objective of our observation of National Science Day is to spread the messages and importance of the science and its application among the people. Okay, Raman effect is also here is there. See, speciality of Raman effect. Raman effect is change of a wavelength exhibited by some of the radiation scattered in medium. The effect is specific to the molecules which cause it, and so can be used in the analysis. Okay, this is the importance of our Science Day. So we should salute to them. The day is celebrated to remember the discovery of Raman effect. Okay, before entering into our activity, as a weekly activity, we have water dispenser activity. It is very easy to make at home. Water dispenser is a useful device that we can easily make at home. Okay. See, to make this water dispenser, we need a water bottle. With a lid with the cap. Okay, this is the first material to make a water dispenser, and also we want one cardboard and a scale. See, we have to measure the cardboard length in a proper way. 20 centimeters length means we have to take at least we have to cut 20 centimeters in the length, and in the width we have to cut at least 8 or 90 centimeters width. And also we need a pencil or a sketches to mark the cardboard. Okay, after marking the cardboard, we have to cut this cardboard. Okay, in a proper way we have to cut this cardboard. How many pieces we want? Total 4 pieces. 4 pieces we want. In this way 4 pieces we have to cut to 4 sides, and we have to cover these 4 sides with the another cardboard. Okay, and next white paper we want white papers to paste on that box. Already we have made one box, and we have to paste this all cover to that, and also we have to cut that bottle top to put the according to bottom of the bottle size we have to cut on the box. Why? Because we have to put this bottle here, we have to cut in the same way. We have to cut to put or to fix the bottle inside the cardboard. Okay, and also we want one pipe or straw. We have to do here hole, and with help of the glue gun we have to attach that pipe to this bottom of the bottle, isn't it? And after making all this, after this, see here already I have made one box. Okay, one side 2, 3, and another side we have to cut, and another side we have to cut. In this way we have to cut, and we have to put one glass in this. Okay, see principle of this water dispenser, it will work on the air pressure. Now there is no air pressure inside the bottle. When we round the lid of the bottle, air can enter into the bottle. That air can press the water into them, and that water can flow by the straw. Okay, children. So in this way, water dispenser. Once you can see, when I open this lid, see now air has entered into the bottle, and water flowing from the pipe or straw. We have arranged the straw. So if we close tight, that water can automatically water flow can stop. Okay. Now how to make water dispenser clear to you? Is any water flow is there? There is. See children, now water can flow. When I lose the cap, water can flow easily from the bottle to glass with help of the straw. Are you seeing water is flowing? Seeing? Yes, good. You can make this water dispenser. Here main step is that closing the cap. When we are closing, after filling the water, we have to close this top. See, now automatically water flow has a stop. Okay. See, we have to take care while closing the lid of the bottle. If we not take care, then also water can flow. So here, this is the tip. There are some special tips to hold the bottle and to pour the water, and while closing also we have to take more care. Okay, then only air cannot enter into the bottle and it can work perfectly. So try to do this activity, children. Once again, I wish you Happy National Science Day. We should salute all the scientists of our Indians as in this day, in this great and such a wonderful day. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Take care.